This week on Jack and Jew, we are making a savory bar nut for happy hour. We were inspired because we got some cider from our friends at Offset, and we needed a snack to go with it.
We also just miss being in bars, and this is bringing us one step closer.
And honestly, this recipe is better than any bar nut we've had. Nicole's gonna fight me on that.
We're going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter right into our nice bowl.
Half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard.
Yeah, any spicy mustard would be fine.
Grainy, yummy.
Grainy, yeah. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder.
Half a teaspoon of paprika.
Then we're adding 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. It's just kosher salt, we use whatever.
And we're gonna stir it up and make a nice slurry.
Oh God.
Did you miss me? Okay, now we are going to add in our 1.5 cups of mixed nuts and pretzels.
First, we're doing about 1 cup of nuts. We have peanuts, almonds, and cashews, and they're all raw and unsalted because we're going to add the flavor, add the oven.
Add the flavor, add the oven?
You know, like toast them up.
Yeah, no, like toast them up. You can use whatever mixture of nuts and or seeds that you want to. Totally up to you.
It kind of looks like buffalo wing sauce,
It definitely does.
which I don't hate. We could have made buffalo wing nuts.
That'll be our
nuts.
next iteration.
True. We'll just become exclusively a bar nut brand.
Might be the most perfect pretzel. Well, no, never mind. We're also adding in 1/2 cup of pretzels because I love pretzels.
I was gonna say that's a generous 1/2 cup.
Okay, fine.
No, it's fine. Just put them in.
Did you just put them in? That was so alarming, Julie. They're still in your mouth. Is your mouth dry? We added our pretzels to the mix, and we're just gonna stir them, make sure they're all coated in sauce as well. Spread them out nice and evenly.
Oh my gosh, they look so good.
They smell delicious.
They do.
So our oven is preheated to 350. We are gonna let these toast for about 15 to 20 minutes. We'll set a timer for 15, check them, see how toasted they are, and keep them in longer if needed.
Great.
So our nuts are out of the oven, and while they're still hot and a little bit oily, we are going to toss them with 2 tablespoons-ish of fine brewer's yeast.
Nutritional yeast, brewer's yeast, same thing. If you don't like nutritional yeast, just don't use it. Okay, we just did 1 tablespoon. We're gonna call it quits. Oh my God, I can't wait to get my hand in that.
Yum!
Oh my God, cheers.
Yum! Dude! Yeah, they're toasty, they're salty, they're savory in a really nice way.
So savory.
The nutritional yeast, if you use it, really adds like this element of like almost cheesy flavor. You have a snack now for your next at-home happy hour.